So today I'm going to be looking at this unicorn oozos. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. Let's open it and get started. Warning, this set contains chemicals. Get medical attention immediately if splashed on eyes. That's a bit worrying. Let's cut this open. Oh, it's got stuff. Okay, here we go. Is that everything? Okay, so I think that's a measuring cup maybe, or molder. Sodium alginate, I don't know how to pronounce that. The brightest paints I've ever seen in my life. Glitter, look at that glitter. Spoon. Calcium chloride. Activator. And popsicle stick. Warm water, paper towels, oh, and the scissors, just in case. Mixing bowl. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, sprinkle and whisk. I'll grab a whisk, 1 second. Whisk the entire packet. Let's pour in the water. So that's a little bit. No, I may need a whisk for this. Whisk. Base. So just to slowly add it, so. See, next instruction. Allow the mixture to sit for 1 hour and mix the base every 15 minutes. Okay. I'll be right back when this is all dissolved. Okay, that's my timer. Let's mix this, because it says leave it for an hour, but mix it every 15 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's so disgusting. Oh my god, that smells so bad. How's that look? That's disgusting. So, I finished mixing it and letting it set. The ouzo's base should be thick like syrup when it's ready. So I'm going to test it out with this. Yeah, that's syrup. Cool. Once the base is ready, divide it into 3 separate cups, not included. So, I don't have cups at home, so I'm using cupcake liners, but I'm doubling them up. So let's just set this off to the side. So I double them up so they don't leak, and I've done double the amount. I've done 6 instead of 3 because they're quite small. I've successfully cleaned out the bowl, so now the next step is 3 to 4 drops, and they say use this, so I'm guessing it's like 2 to 4 scoops. Oh, that's nice and easy to open. The next step, include glitter to your paint, add in 1 spoonful of the glitter packet to each cup. You can also create your oozos without adding the glitter. The choice is yours. I am going to add the glitter because glitter makes everything awesome. mix together all of the activator, the entire packet. Oh, that is chunky. You know when you get to the bottom of the sugar and it's all in clumps? That's what this looks like. I've declumped it all. And now, 3 cups of water. That is a lot of water. And mix it until it's fully dissolved. Set aside the activator until you're ready to make your ouzos. Can't see any of the activator in there. Okay, this is the maker. So let's fill this. Yeah, this is when the stick comes in handy. Take the ouzos and dip it into the activator, a little bit on the top of the base. Wait 2 to 5 seconds to dip the maker into the activator and start to swirl. So we're gonna put it in, so just a little bit gets on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're gonna dunk it in and swirl it. And you'll see it start to gradually release from the maker. So that was the Unicorn Ouzos kit. Here are my pros and cons. The pros are, it was worth it, it does work, and I could understand the instructions. But the cons are, it does not look like the box, it's very messy, I had to wait a while to get the final product, and the final product does not last long. I give it 7 unicorns out of 10.